Hi everyone, this is how you should back out of a parking lot parking space. So I will start the vehicle, right foot on the brake, release the parking brake, place the gear selected to reverse. Now we're gonna back out of this parking space, then drive to the left. So we put the right signal on and we start. Keep your foot on the brake, start moving slowly. Now you pretend that you have a car on either side of your car. You don't want to be turning the steering wheel too soon, otherwise you could actually hit that car. So wait until the dash of your car is at the end of the car, next door, here or there, but of course there's none. So when the dash is at the end of the line or the parking space, you start turning, and you keep checking like crazy. Start turning all the way to the right. There's someone walking behind the car, so we have to be checking so you can see everything. Now once you have sufficient room to go forward, you put the drive, check to the left and the right, then you turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and wait for the car to go to where you want it to be. Then you recover, hand over hand to the right. Now we'll be making a left turn out of the parking lot, so you have the left signal on, check left, right, and it's clear. So hand over hand steering and recover. Now we're going to exit the parking lot to the right, so signal right, check to the left because someone could be exiting from the left, so you check, it's good, then you proceed onto the roadway, and it's a right turn here. Now it's safe to go. And remember, in a case like this where you have someone approaching from the left and they have their turn signal on, you could assume that they're turning into the parking lot, but they're not. They just put the signal on. So be careful, make sure they actually turn into the parking lot before you drive off, otherwise they could crash into you and it would be your fault. Now here it's a right turn, we have a red light, we stop behind the white line, complete stop. Now we can go if it's safe, we can make a right turn, so check over the right shoulder. And we have cars approaching from the left, and now it's safe, so we can continue. Now the sign says 50 kilometers ahead, and we're in heavy traffic. And now the sign on the right says 50 begins. So drive at the proper speed as long as road conditions permit. We're approaching a set of green lights. Now it turns amber, so we stop, and we stop when you don't see the white line. Right there. See, it's so important to stop at this proper stopping position, because we had someone on a scooter, so if we blocked the crosswalk, that would be a violation. Now the light turns green, left, check left, right, and then proceed. Speed limit 50 kilometers an hour, and I'm doing exactly 50 kilometers an hour. This is a bumpy road. You can hear the road noise. Crosswalk, look left, right. At the lights, it's a left turn. So you apply the left turn signal. And here we have a white line, so you stop when you can't see that line anymore. Right there. Here we have a large vehicle. See how wide that turn is? But it's because of the size of the vehicle. So if I stopped way down there, that truck would be crashing into us, but at least we'll have to back up to accommodate them. There's another one. And now the lights are green. So we check left, right before entering the intersection. Now we're approaching a crosswalk with flashing amber lights. And of course, this is an intersection. You don't want to block it because you have to accommodate drivers who want to make a left turn. Okay. Now this car ahead, they want to do a left turn. So we're just gonna wait, or maybe I can pass. Yeah, I'll just wait for him to get out of the road. Check the crosswalk, left, right, and then proceed. This will end this driving lesson. Thanks for watching.